Are you ready to sell your book, but you're not sure what it's worth? Well, come on down, because this week we're playing The Price is Right on Lulu University. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. That's not really The Price is Right. So you published your book, yeah! And now you're ready to sell it and make that money. So there's some important things to consider when setting the price of your book. If you're hoping to make a profit on your book, it's important to know the revenue split and the manufacturing cost of the book that you're creating. Each channel that you sell through can have different criteria for the revenue split, so it's important to keep these things in mind as you're setting your price. For example, on Lulu, we do an 80-20 revenue split. So if your book costs $5 to make and then you sell it for $15, that means that the revenue outside of the manufacturing cost is going to be split 80-20 so that you will get about $8 and then Lulu gets $2. One great thing about Lulu is that we have a really nice royalty calculator on our site. So if you choose to enable global distribution through Lulu, which means your book will be available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Ingram, you'll be able to see how much revenue you will make from each of those sales channels. So that can be really helpful in determining what price you will set for your book. Genre expectations should help you dictate what price you will set your book at. So one thing that's interesting and something to know is that nonfiction books can be set at a higher price point oftentimes than fiction books. So whenever you are ready to sell your book, it's important to look around your genre at other books that are similar and kind of get a high and a low for that price range, and you want to be somewhere in the middle. Price your book too high and that could deter potential readers, and then if you price it too low, then people might start questioning the content. So that's why you really want to kind of hit that sweet spot in the middle. Another thing to consider when setting the price of your book is psychological or charm pricing. So what this means is that the number $1.99 is more appealing for some reason than $2. So when you're setting your price, instead of pricing your book at $20, go for $19.99 because studies have shown that instead of rounding up, using the 99 in the price can be more appealing to potential buyers. There are a lot of resources online to help you find and decide the right price for your book. One great one is the School Library Journal's average book prices. So this is going to show you a chart of the average cost per book in a couple of different categories. So by year, it has it broken down into age groups. So there's a lot of really great resources that can help you there. Setting the price of your book is very specific and can differ for each book that you write. So if you have any questions on how to do this, then leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, then be sure to hit subscribe and we will see you next time.